an escape. Hey, I like the sippy cups best. But, ma'am, we only have the slightly strawy type. No! Baby Jack, nobody likes you. Admit it! You love me. I love stripes, you Brutus fiend. You killed my family.